Okay, we let this drain overnight. I'll show you here in a few minutes how much additional oil we got out letting it drain, but it was quite a bit. Trying to get some light here so you guys can see a little better. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get our filters installed. Just wipe off where the spin-on filter goes. Just gotta be careful, don't leave any rag pieces or anything behind. And then right here is a seal for the sump filter, and you get a new one with the filter. I'm gonna have to get a pick to get that out. All right, I didn't show getting the old seal out. I had to get right in front of the camera to get it out, just to get the right angle, right leverage, whatever. I used a small pick. I think you saw it a second ago. And once you get underneath an edge, it pops right out. But it just took me a different angle to get it. I coated this new seal with a little transmission fluid. I'm gonna get a small block of wood here and just tap it in and seat it. We got that small seal seated. Just getting a little transmission fluid on the gasket for the spin-on filter. Get that cleaned up, and again, there's a plastic thread here, so don't get too aggressive turning this on. I mean, it's got to be on and sealed, but you don't want to cross thread it, which is easy to do, and you don't want to over tighten it and crack that. So right there's where it seats. Get some of the oil off my hand. Okay, that's pretty snug there. We'll stop at that. Now for the sump filter. I'll go over part numbers for these filters in a few minutes here. Get some oil on where that filter slides up into the seal. Okay, just kind of wiggle back and forth, it'll snap in, and then there's one screw at this end. It's a small machine screw that holds it in place. I got the filter boxes here. This one's for the spin-on filter. You can see the part number there. And then the sump filter, there's a part number. Again, this one was specific to a four-wheel drive, so this one you have to pay attention, make sure you get the right one. So I just talk to your dealer, wherever you get it, make sure you're getting the right one. I'm just refilling with plain Mopar ATF +4. I do have a source to get bulk containers, so unfortunately I have 3-gallon jugs that I cleaned out and had filled with Mopar fluid, but it's too hard to pour a gallon jug into this funnel because it's so horizontal. So I'll just be refilling this 1-quart container and dumping it in.
We're gonna put about 8 quarts in, and then we'll check it. We'll start it up, let it run for a while, fill the filters up, and refill either the torque converter, the cooler, whatever all the extra oil drained out of. I forgot to get a picture or video of how much oil drained into that coffee can out of the spin-on filter, but the coffee can was basically full, so at least a couple quarts. Okay, it's number 8. We'll let this funnel drain for a couple minutes, and we'll start the truck up and let it run and see how much more we need to add. Close to the full mark on the full scale. So I'll take the truck out here, drive a little bit, see where we're at. Hope this video is helpful. I'm showing how to drop the pan and change the filters on a 68 RFE. If anybody has any questions, put a comment below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like, the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.